friends, happy Wednesday. Well, today guys, we're gonna be back down in the basement. We are gonna be decorating the top of my electric fireplace for fall. We're gonna be decorating a leaning ladder for Halloween and fall. It's nothing special. Just a little something to add some fall color in the room. And I'll be showing you what I did to my Restore Hutch that I still have yet to chalk paint. But anyway, I decorated it for fall, and that's what we're gonna be looking at. After that, we're gonna be doing a quick basement room tour, super quick. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm a little pooped this week. I am actually more than pooped. I'm exhausted. And when I went down there, I'm like, I am not re-vacuuming the carpet. It wasn't that bad in the first place, but I'm like, I am not re-vacuuming the carpet. I am not lighting all the candles and putting all the lights on. I should have, you guys. I just pooped out. That's the honest truth. I just pooped out. So we will be doing that. And then I'll be back for a little chit chat, a little one. Okay, let's get into the video. Today we are down in the basement and we are going to be decorating the top of this electric fireplace for fall, bringing in some Tuscan touches as I've done so above this door, and we're going to make it cozy for fall. To start, I'm going to add 2 sconces on either side of the mirror. So these are the 2 candle sconces I'm planning to hang on either side of the mirror. Let's see if this works. And this is what it looks like once the candle sconces are hung. Pretty, I love it. Oh, have I missed these candle sconces. Welcome back, Tuscan style. Welcome back. And now I'm going to add a lamp for ambiance. And here's the lamp I will be using. Now I think for my focal point right in the center, I'm going to use a wreath on a wreath stand. And there it is. Let's add a wreath. Now that we have our focal point and we've got some ambiance with the candle sconces and the lamp, let's add some fall touches. I've just added a Tuscan candle holder. Now let's add some greenery to that. I have this greenery pick from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to add it to the top of that candle holder. So let's add this to the top of the candle holder. Basically, I'm just sitting it right on there. So that's how it looks, but let's add a pumpkin to the top of it. Let's do it. And that's how my pumpkin looks, sitting on top of the greenery pick on top of a candle holder. All right, let's add some more stuff. So now I've added my squirrel. Got this little guy at Ross, but we need to add some texture. So let's add a fall floral pick and maybe some pumpkins. Isn't he sweet holding his little acorn? I just love him. So all I did here was add a floral pick from Walmart. And to this, I'm going to add some pumpkins that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that's what it looks like. I just kind of snugged it in there in amongst the floral pick. And there's Mr. Squirrel. Another floral pick right here. And I'm going to add 2 pumpkins. I'm just going to set them right on top of those leaves. And those are the 2 pumpkins I've added. The very last thing I'm going to add is this pot with this garden ball, just to add some texture and a pop of green. And I'm going to set the pot right back there, right behind the pumpkins. So this is what my mantle display looks like, but I feel like over here on that corner, it needs a little something something, and in a perfect world, I would have more of that greenery, but I am tapped out. It's being used in different spots of the house. So I'm gonna bring in some ivy and sort of a succulent, I don't even know what this is called, but I'm gonna stick two different textures together. All right, guys, I have this simple little ivy pick, and I'm just gonna push it right next to this pumpkin. But to that, I've got this little succulent pick. I picked this up at Real Deals. And I'm just gonna kind of stick this on top of the ivy and have it kind of cascade down around the pumpkin and hang off the side, just to add a little bit of different texture, and it kind of pops with that green behind it. And anyway, this is gonna do it for my mantle display here in the basement. I think it's cute, and it definitely has a fall touch. And anyway, I think it's cozy, and I love the added Tuscan I've added to it. When electric fireplaces came out, and they were all the latest, greatest rage, my father purchased this for me. He lived in a different state, and he asked me what I wanted for Christmas. And I don't know, I had been talking about an electric fireplace, not wanting him to purchase it for me. I was hoping it would be a joint gift my husband and I would get together. And he said, no, go pick one out. Let me know where to buy it, and I'm going to get it for you. And I just couldn't believe it. I said, oh, no, absolutely not. They're too expensive. I couldn't. I just wouldn't. And he did. He went and bought this for me. And it has been through so many moves. It's a little beat up, and I need to get like a little furniture pin and touch it up. I just haven't had the time to do it. But I love it, and I just will never part with this because he is no longer with us, and it's just a reminder of him, and I just love it. All right, guys, next up, I've got this rustic ladder. I actually made it, don't laugh. And I've turned it the other way because the other side got a little beat up from a move. Anyway, I've hung a throw blanket right there, and now I'm gonna add some fall lights and garland. Stay with me. I got these lights at Harris Teeter grocery store. I don't know where you would find these. I've never seen them in any other store, but they're really cute. I love these lights, and I bring them out every year, and I slap them right on top of my ladders for a pop of light. So anyway, let's build on this. Now I'm gonna add this farmhouse piece. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby last year. I'm gonna set this on top of my ladder. Watch what I do with this. Hello, does that not make this ladder look more unique? All right, let's add more to this ladder. Next up, I have this tobacco basket. And as you can see here, I've added a nail into the ladder. And this is what I'm gonna use to hang my tobacco basket. Let me hang it down. There we go. And that's how it looks. Now, you guys know I'm all about layering, so now I'm gonna add a fall leaf. And here's the fall leaf I have. It's metal. I don't even remember where I got it. But I've had it, gosh, since the kids were little. And let's see, I can hang it if I want. Hold on. So I just sat the leaf in the basket. I didn't even have to hang it. And anyway, like I said, I like to add different textures and elements to my displays. Now I've got this trick or treat sign. Got this at Walmart, and I'm gonna see if I can just loop this right over the leaf. And it works. Hold on a second. And that worked. So now I want to add a fall garland to my lights. I picked up this garland from Walmart last year, and I'm just gonna loop it around the ladder. All right, guys, this is how my little ladder display looks. Super simple, but I like it. It's a splash of color, it's different, and it says fall and Halloween and trick or treat. Up on the ladder, and I went and got a galvanized bucket. I put some moss in it, and I did a blooming fall lamp. And like I said, even though this is a hutch and it's up high, I wanted to add some ambiance, some lighting up here. I've got a wall embellishment from Hobby Lobby. I just sat it right on top. And then I've got two galvanized buckets, one with some grass in it, and one with a pumpkin and a garden ball. And I'm gonna call this one Dawn. And this is what it looks like from down below. I think it looks cute. And you know what? When we're watching movies down here and all the lights are off, I usually have this light on because this is kind of far away, and it just adds a little bit of lighting in here, which I like. And this I already decorated. I didn't think you'd want me to show you me putting plates on this. It's pretty basic. This is an old hutch, I believe from back in the 80s. I picked up at the Restore shop. And I originally had plans to chalk paint this white and distress it. Then fall came around and I thought, I'm leaving it the dark color because it adds warmth. And so since then I have not touched it. But this may be a project for summer because I really do want to give it a paint job. It's kind of beat up and chipped and it needs some new hardware. But in any case, this is, let me step back. This is what it looks like in the basement. It's just very, I don't know what to call it. It's all right, but it's a big piece of furniture, and I needed something big on this wall, so I just left it. But I just added this little swag from Walmart for a splash, you know, for Halloween. And then I have this plate on either side. And then I've got this plate on the other side. And then I've got two garden balls for a pop of green. And then a happy Halloween sign. And that's it, guys. Basic, simple, but cute. Oh boy, I've changed my mind. I'm gonna add something, guys. I totally forgot. I wanted to add this piece to my fall decor. It was sitting in my storage room and I thought, I wonder if I can make it work. So let me see if this will work, if I can work this into the display. Okay guys, I added this sign. I just love it. It says autumn harvest, pumpkins, cozy sweaters, apple pie, hay rides, bonfires, and you can see the pumpkins. And then it continues with these pumpkins right here. And the greenery and the little garden ball. I moved the lamp over. I think the lamp looks better moved over so you can kind of see the candle sconces. But anyway, I think it's a cute display here in the basement next to the theater. All right, guys, well, I'm going to close out this little video today, but I would love if you guys could hit me up in the comments below. I would really like to know, what would you guys like to see next? And I'll kind of like go through all the comments and see what the consensus is and kind of go from there. But I mean, I've pretty much got the whole house decorated for fall with the exception of the front porch and a table in my landing. I could do a full fall home tour. Do you guys want to see that or not? Because I have done room tours. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. So let me know. Do you guys want to see recipes, crafts, planning for Christmas, shopping for Christmas, Christmas hauls? I mean, that's all coming up, and I have got to think ahead about what I want to do this year. So I'd love some ideas, you know, where to steer the channel and where to go next. So let me know, guys. Let me know what you want me to do. So anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. I'm going to get ready and I'm going to make some awesome tacos tonight for the family. And I'm going to do my homemade salsa and homemade guac. It's going to be so good. Can't wait. Anyway, that's it, guys. Love you so much. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you guys Friday. I'm not sure what we'll be working on, but stay tuned. All right, guys. Mwah.